Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. In today's episode, I am going to share with you a very important component about studying abroad or applying to study abroad. Oftentimes, or almost all the time, when you are applying for scholarships or study abroad opportunities, one important document that you need is what we call the statement of purpose or SOP, personal statement, or any other statement. Sometimes these statements are very complicated. Some universities, of course, will give you themes that you should write around. Some leave it open for you to write. And sometimes it's difficult to really know what you have to put in this statement and what actually would be competitive. One of the important things about this statement of purpose or personal statement is that you are not there to defend yourself. So you have to be able to show that you know what you are about, show to them that the program that you are about to apply for would benefit you, and you'll be able to also contribute to the development of the university. In today's episode, I have discovered a very good website that has hundreds of thousands of personal statements from people all over the world that you can use as a sample to develop yours. In this website, you can find personal statements ranging from courses in engineering, mathematics, and other courses. You can have personal statements by subject. That is what I just mentioned. You can have personal statement by country, by whatever university you are applying to, and so forth. So in this episode, I want to show you samples of these personal statements and where to find this personal statement so that when you are applying for a study abroad opportunity or a university, whatever it is, you will be able to use these ones as samples to develop yours so that you will know exactly what is needed and what you'll be able to put in your personal statement to stand out compared to others. If you are watching this from TikTok or Instagram or Facebook, head to my YouTube channel to watch the full video. And if you are watching here for the first time, I encourage you to subscribe as I talk about scholarship and study abroad. Like this video, share this video to others so that they can also benefit from the information that I give here. So this is how the page looks like. It's called the Studential, and there are so many other things that you can find here, so many other information. But for the purpose of this video, we need to find a personal statements. So where do we go? If you check up here, you see there are personal statements. Now let's click on that and see what comes up. Now, when you click on the personal statement, you see on the left panel, you see top rated personal statements. We have international student personal statement, mature student, postgraduates, personal statement by university. So here they sort the personal statements based on the university to be applied to, based on the subject, and so many other things. So personal statement questions 2025. So they have so many other, so you can sort them according to what you want. But if you go down, just leave it like that. See, there are personal statements for accounting and finance, actuarial science, and you can view for actuarial science there are 212 of them. So you can go to, and for accounting and finance there are 945. So if you want to filter based on the program that you want to apply to, you go to personal statement by subject. You click on that, then it sorts to the program. So you have anthropology, architecture, arts and design, bioengineering, biology, biotechnology, business, chemistry, computer science. So not to waste your time, let's click on the computer science. So if we click on computer science, one of them comes. So you see that computer science personal statement 1, maths and computing personal statement. So if we click on the first one, then you see that from an early age, blah 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 blah. This is the personal statement. You find it here, and you can copy it somewhere, and you see the coherence. And then they say that yeah, so the person applied to these universities, Cambridge University, University of Edinburgh, University of York. They were able to secure admission to the 2 other universities apart from Cambridge. So this was deemed as a very good personal statement. So you can see some other people rated it here. So this is basically how to find a personal statement. If you want others, you can go back. To the other ones. So in terms of subjects, you can read them here. We have dentistry, history, so many other personal statements. And then so social work personal statements. See that there's one on social work here, one example here. So you can read through the ones on social work and so many other. This one is unrated. But yeah, so the goal is for you to take this or read this and then use it as a blueprint to develop yours, not to copy, because if you copy it verbatim, then you'll be caught for plagiarism. So what you need to do is just, as you look at this, you read through, get some ideas from it, and then rewrite yours. That's basically what you need to do. So personal statements, you can find them here by subjects. So many of them are around. So many courses. So first you decide which course you are applying to, and then after you decide which course you're applying to, you come here, you find the personal statements. If they also ask for statement of purpose, sometimes it's very similar. So this can also guide you for statement of purpose. Personally, I don't really see a lot of differences, but of course some slight differences. And one important thing that the universities do these days is to give you points, or they give you themes that you write around. So they put them in form of questions that at the end your write-up should have answered those questions, and this can also help you. So check this website out. I'll put the website in the description below. That will help you so that you can develop your own personal statement. So before you go, this is my YouTube channel called Freeman Lamy, where I talk about study abroad scholarships and more. Scholarships in the US, in Luxembourg, in Romania, and so many other places. So you can check them out. Scholarships in Australia as well. Check them out, and I'm sure you'll find a video that suits you. If you are new here, subscribe to this channel, like the video, share the video to others so that they can also benefit from the videos that I make.